Bill Gibbons, and I'm the Experiment Station Director at SDSU and the Associate Dean for Research in the College of Ag, Food, and Environmental Sciences. Well, we have a number of research plots on the farm. This area focuses largely on small grains, and so we have people that are doing testing of various new varieties that our plant breeders in oat and wheat are generating. So that's a big portion of the tour. And then we also have various types of fertility trials on small grains, as well as work on weeds. And so what are effective weed control practices on small grains. Well, I mean, this is an atypical year, very hot and dry. June weather, which is abnormal. We're seeing definite effects on our small grains, especially some of the corn, soybeans that hadn't developed quite as far along are making a better recovery with the weather we've had recently, the cooler temperatures and greater amounts of precipitation. But you know, the big thing with helping producers is understanding the effects of crop rotation and the importance of crop rotation and maintaining high soil health that can absorb moisture when we have it and release it back through the soil to the plants when we don't have it. And then, as I mentioned, the breeding work that we're doing hopefully will identify or help us to identify varieties that are more resistant to these types of conditions. Yeah, well, field days are a really good opportunity for us to get out and physically show producers, or using virtual tools to show producers new practices and the benefits of those practices. So that's the obvious direct benefit, but the other big benefit of this are the sidebar conversations that happen between our researchers and producers to producers. So the interactions and solving questions, or you know, what are problems that you've got that can inform future research. So there's a big part of it is what we'll see on the official tours, but a big part of the learning happens during the breaks in between and the rides on the wagons and the conversations that happen during meals. If you do have questions, we certainly can answer those, and you can reach out to the Extension Service or the Experiment Station or specific researchers if you have those questions. And then, of course, make sure that you do take advantage of all the web-based tools that we have, and we'll have a lot of these presentations linked up on the web, either on our websites or in social media platforms. So make sure you use those resources as well.